Jobs number blows out expectations. It couldn't be that it's all the teachers going back to work. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to BUBBA'S update for Friday, Jobs Friday, August the 5th. And yes, the jobs number was a blowout, about double what was expected. But of course, it is back to school, which means that all the teachers go back on the payroll, back on the roll. So yeah, I don't know what it is. Look, the jobs number has become laughable, and it's not just this administration. It's all of them. It's just the way they report. They don't report the right numbers anyways from the, they should be using the U6, not the U3, but we don't have time to go into all that here. Bottom line is the jobs numbers beat, and the markets originally got hammered off of those numbers, okay, and have now subsequently started to come back quite a bit. In fact, the Dow and the Russell have now turned, and the S&P have all turned positive after being down pretty dramatically. And it looks like the NASDAQ will get there shortly. In the meantime, again, we are still long across the board. Gold and silver got cracked pretty hard. All of those numbers giving back some of yesterday's gains. We still remain short both the silver and gold because, again, the trend is not triggered to a reversal yet. So, again, we're going to stay short. And again, that there's movement and there's movement, and right now the movement looks like it still wants to go lower. Crude oil is now higher, and it's been kind of all over the place. It is on its highs in the days now, about $1. Bonds and notes are under heavy pressure, which we're still long, and we're still short crude as well. But bonds and notes, again, they're saying that was one of the reasons for the reaction of the market. Strong jobs number, but that means the Fed's going to go back to hiking rates, the whole bullshit. Okay, again, it's all garbage, but that's what it is. The dollar is soaring higher once again, and we're still long, which is the euro currency is getting crushed, which we're still short. Bitcoin is up, we're long. The copper markets are a little bit higher this morning, we're still short. Nat gas is higher, and we're long. So again, kind of a mixed kind of picture. The grain markets, our two shorts, corn and wheat, are higher, and our one long is lower, which is the soybeans. The corn's up the strong; it's up about 9 cents, so it looks okay. In the protein complex, fats and feeders are like about flat, okay, and hog, they're all flat. They're all leaning towards the upside, all flat. We're long them all. Okay. In the in the softs, cocoa is flat and we're short. Cotton is higher, we're short. Sugar's higher, we're short. OJ's higher, we're long. And coffee is getting waxed again. And of course, stop drinking coffee so we can make some good dough off of this trade. In the meantime, it's still pretty freaking quiet. And that's always a continuing problem that we've been experiencing. That the markets do remain relatively quiet, making things a little bit of a challenge, and we will be ready to go. But we're having a good week, so just be careful. Okay, we day traded the jobs number this morning, which we do every jobs number, and made some tiny profits. Basically made 3 trades, had 8 possible that we could have made. But at the end of the day, we did make some dough. But have a great weekend, everybody. We'll see you back here with Bubba's Bottom Line on Sunday. And until then, just be careful. Have a nice weekend. We'll see you Sunday. Bubba's Update.